Hey guys, this is Tech Helpline bringing you tutorial videos on your daily applications. Watch the video till the end to know how to, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get updated on any new how-to tutorials. So today we are going to learn how to hide story on Snapchat. In order to do that, let's first open Snapchat. After we do that, press on the top left corner of the screen through which you will be connected to your profile. Next, hit the gear symbol at the top right, which is where your settings are located. Under the menu named Who Can, you can control your story's privacy settings. So in here, as you can see, you can press on View My Story. And after you do that, you can default the preference of all your friends, but you customize this. So press on Custom. When you do that, your story won't show up in their feeds and they won't be able to tell you blocked them seeing your story, and they'll still be able to message you like normal. If I want to hide a story from username 231 or Hubin, I can directly press them, and after this they will be customarily not able to see the story. So this is how you hide your story on Snapchat. If this video helped you, click the thumbs up button and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the Tech Helpline channel.